Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome video. Today I'm just doing a building competition with some people I found in our lobby and my friend. If you want to say hi, Mason? Oh, yeah. Want to say hi?
Hi. Oh, Blue.
Oh, it's so cute.
I know.
Hi.
Hi.
This one? Hi.
We will have 10 minutes to do this, and I will be the
Hi.
judge. You would say hi if you want.
Friendship bracelet.
Yay.
So
Let
cool.
me stand up.
Oh, it's another one. We got another guy. It's my friend. How are you? What is that?
What?
What is that strawberry thing?
What strawberry thing?
I'm jealous how you guys have friends.
Yeah. Because I want
I'm sorry. I was trying to get up here.
You need to be smaller. Look.
You need to be small. I know, I was trying to get up there though.
Hello.
So,
Good job.
you're so tiny. He's,
Daniel.
yeah,
Yo, will you help me get up there?
yeah.
Here, actually, wait.
Here, just give me your hand.
Boy, so easy. Anama.
Bro, imagine if the little kid could still beat you.
No
No,
way.
you get up there.
Here, grab my hand.
How do you get up here? Yo, Red Gorilla.
Uh-oh. I'm here.
What?
Uh-oh.
Just hold on really tight.
Down here,
I'm
down here.
hopping.
You see me?
My
Jump.
game is hot.
Just
I'm
jump
green.
up to it.
Okay.
Ah.
I can't.
Here, hold my hand.
How about this? I'll make it easy.
Just-
I'll make it easy.
My hand might be
Just
Bro.
hold it on. Just
Here.
oh,
Okay.
Pinch climb.
That-
okay, pinch
Pinch-
climb.
Okay, whatever.
Pinch climb.
What happened?
Pinch climb.
Wait.
Okay, you got it. Let's go.
Ew.
Sorry, I burped.
You're good.
Hold on. Mason, you have to work on your
really
project.
doing it. I didn't jump.
Here, give me your hand. Oh, you'll get
I can do it.
This is the most sweetest kid I've ever seen on Gorilla Tag.
Yeah, I'm a little girl.
Alright, ready? 3,
Y'all sound
Two,
like little toddlers.
whee!
Whee! What?
Alright,
Daniel, I got it.
you guys have to work on your project.
Exactly. I'm just using this time because you guys are so distracted on my build that you guys won't have.
Oh, blue. Blue.
Yeah?
Blue. It's okay, can I record you?
What?
It's okay, I can record you. I want to record. I do that.
Oh yeah, I don't care. You can record. Here, I'm recording it right now. Let me
I'm
see.
recording. I have a little girl. I'm a little girl. Cupcake. I want cupcake. I have no left.
You have 5 minutes left.
5 minutes.
Yep.
I'm not even doing nothing. I kind of want to be with
Alright.
you.
If you don't want to do it, you don't have to. Mason.
Wait, let me check my savings for a minute. Ow! No one's here?
Mason.
Wait, let me check my shiny rocks for a minute. I'm coming back. Shiny.
3 minutes left.
I'm not coming. I'm coming.
3 minutes.
Yep.
Hey.
So she's so perfect.
I don't-
Blah blah blah.
He's so perfect.
You woke up someday and told me you could miss her.
Who did that? Hey, I'm stuck.
When you leave, don't you? Read it.
Let me see. So good.
A minute left.
No!
How fast is it? I did this. Blue, look.
Yeah.
Wee.
Whee!
I
Can you
almost
give me
won
like
it.
2 more minutes?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, I don't need that. Thanks for trying to help though.
If you sabotage, you will get spam reported. I will report you to the Discord.
Look, guys. I'm up here.
Oh look,
There's a
I'm up here too. Here, look what I can do. A minute left. I mean, 2 minutes left.
I'm checking all the way here. Oh, never mind. Can you give me a cupcake, please? You cannot eat cake.
Hold on. No, I mean, a minute left.
They wearing boxy box.
A minute left, guys. She's so bad. She's so hard.
I need to get up there fast.
Time is up.
Run.
Hands off your builds. Hands off your builds.
Drop your stuff! Hands off.
And
Oh,
B.
come on.
Only 2 people made builds, bro. Literally only 2 people made builds.
Okay,
Let me see.
let's. Okay, I'm gonna look at it and I'm gonna look at it.
You have to test.
Oh.
You have to test them out. You have to test them out. Right.
Okay.
Because both of our builds are things you do all the time.